In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change checkout button text in WooCommerce. We'll update the checkout button label using the WordPress site editor so you can match your brand voice and guide customers more clearly. Make sure you're signed into your WordPress admin with an account that has permission to edit the site. From the dashboard, look to the left sidebar and go to Appearance, then choose Editor. This opens the site editor for your active theme. If you don't see the editor option, your theme may not support the site editor. Today's walkthrough uses the site editor method, so follow along in a block-based theme. Once the editor loads, shift your attention to the left panel. Open Pages, and a drawer will slide out listing your site's pages. Find the cart page, hover over it, and click the Edit button that appears. Give it a moment to load the visual canvas. If the preview shows a different template, switch the preview so you're looking at the cart page specifically. This ensures you're editing the correct place where the checkout button appears. Now, in the canvas, locate the checkout button within the cart layout. Click directly on the button to select it, then click the text inside so you see a blinking cursor. Type the new button text you want. Something like complete purchase or proceed to checkout works well. Keep it short, clear, and action-focused. The goal is to set expectations and nudge your customers forward without overwhelming them. As you type, you should see the preview update right away. If the text doesn't change, double-check that you've selected the button itself and not the surrounding group or container. Remember, you're only changing the label here. The button's function and link remain the same, so it will still take customers to the next step in checkout. Consider your tone of voice: friendly, confident, and consistent with the rest of your store. Also think about accessibility. Choose wording that's easy to understand and ensure the button's color contrast keeps the label readable. When you're satisfied with the new text, go to the top right and click Save. You may see a summary of items that will be updated. Confirm to apply the change. Saving from the site editor updates your theme's design, so the cart page throughout your site will now display the new wording. That's all it takes. You've changed the WooCommerce checkout button text directly in the site editor, no code required. If you use translations or multiple languages, remember to keep your label consistent across locales so every customer sees the right message.